So I'm going to quickly go over how to change colors when Tunisian crocheting. And we're talking about changing colors at the end of a row. So what you want to do when you get to the point where you want to change your color, you're going to stop when you have 2 loops left on your hook. And we're going to pull through with our changing color. So get the color you want to change to, and we're going to make a slip knot. Once you have your slip knot, you want to put your slip knot on your hook and tighten. And then we're going to pull through with our new color through those 2 loops left on our hook. And we officially have changed colors. So now we're just going to Tunisian crochet across whatever stitch you're doing. I am doing the Tunisian simple stitch. We're not going to fasten the color you were changing from yet. So Tunisian crochet all the way down and then come back when you're gonna have 2 loops left on your hook. Okay, so I have Tunisian crocheted all the way down and back with my new color and stopped where I have 2 loops left on my hook. So before we pull through with our new color, we're just gonna go to the back and we're going to tie our 2 ends together. So our color we changed from into the new color we are using, the tail end. So I just do a quick knot here. And the reason we kept 2 on the loop here is because when you tighten this gray one, you want to keep the size of the loop that's on your hook. If you tighten too much, you'll make this loop too small and then it'll make your work a little wonky. So we're gonna do 2 knots on here. And there you go. And then you can pull through your last loop on your hook. And then we'll get our scissors, cut off our color we changed from, and there you go. We have successfully changed colors of Tunisian crochet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.